395636.
Also 911 to Woodstock Company number 5, duty crew. Respond for an adult female knee injury secondary to a fall at Tinker Toys, number 5, Mill Hill Road. Repeating to Woodstock Company number 5, duty crew. Respond for a adult female knee injury secondary to a fall at Tinker Toys, number 5, Mill Hill Road, between Rock City Road and Maple Lane. 1307-5612. Now to Woodstock Company number 5, St. Clair District. Request respond evaluated subject at the Bank of America, number 81, Mill Hill Road. Repeating to Woodstock Company number 5, St. Clair District. Respond to evaluated subject at the Bank of America, number 81, Mill Hill Road, between Brook Road and Playhouse Lane. 921-5612. Also 911 to Woodstock Company number 5, backup. Request assemble and standby quarters for the structure fire. Mount Tremper request on a mutual aid.